To install Python using the command prompt on Windows, you can download the Python installer from the official Python website and run it from the command line. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download Python installer. Open a web browser and navigate to the official Python website at python.org. Go to the download section and select the latest version of Python for Windows. Choose either the 32-bit or 64-bit installer, depending on your system architecture, and download the installer executable file. Open command prompt. Press Windows + R to open the Run dialog. Type cmd and press Enter to open the command prompt. Navigate to download an installer. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where the Python installer was downloaded. For example, run installer. Once in the directory containing the installer, execute the installer by typing its name followed by exe. For example, replace 3.x.x with the version number of the Python installer you downloaded. Follow Installation Wizard. Follow the Installation Wizard prompts to customize the installation if desired, or simply click through to accept the default settings. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Pet to easily run Python from the command line. Verify installation. After installation, open a new command prompt window and type Python version to verify that Python is installed correctly. You should see the installed Python version displayed.